Welcome back to your channel Computer Masti with Ganga. So today in this video we are going to discuss about scrolling background. Now import your background, whatever background you want to take you can choose. I am selecting this forest background. Okay, now the main thing is here we can't move this stage. As you know, stage can't be moved on the scratch programming. Yes, generally we move our sprite, so you have to export sprite. So there are two methods. So first of all, export this sprite and then go to choose a sprite and upload sprite option here. Yes, on the top go there, and from where you have saved your background, yes, we are importing this image as a sprite. Now you can see here, this is not a background, this is a sprite. You can see forest is a sprite. Now you can see motion block is appearing. When we click on the stage, now you can see that motion selected, but there are no motion blocks. Yes, so we generally divide this stage into two parts: vertical part, that is a y-axis, and horizontal part, that is x-axis. So we generally start our program using a green flag. So go to events and use this green flag. Now next thing, use go to, yes, go to x-axis 0, y-axis 0, x point 0, y point 0. So this means we will take our sprite in the center, because here we are giving x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. Okay, now one more thing, here x is 0. Towards your right hand side, x equals to 240 is the highest one for this stage. Towards the left hand side, minus 240, and out of this stage, this script area also it includes in the center minus 480, and the last script area boundary, that is minus 720. So we need to move our sprite towards our left hand side. Yes, towards the left hand side, so we are taking minus. As you know, towards left hand side it takes minus, towards right plus. So we are taking change x by minus 5. See, our image is moving towards our left hand side. Now I have used forever because I want to move my sprite automatically. That is why I have used this. Now you can see it is not coming back. So what we need to do, we need to take one condition. Yes, conditional block, that is if. So what is the condition? If this forest image, if this image, yes, if this forest image reached at the point minus 480, that means this x position reached at the point that is minus 460, then we go back. Yes, we will go to the position where x 460 and y 0. That means, see here, yes. Now you can see here background is, this sprite is coming towards the left hand side, but again you can see this empty area, this white area on the stage. So right click on this and use first option, that is duplicate, because here we need two sprites to cover this stage. So now the little bit change in this sprite, you can see as we have done duplicate, so it gives the script also for that particular sprite. So click on this forest 2, sprite 2, forest 2, and you have to just one change, little bit change there, that is x-axis. Okay, everything is okay, but here we need to put, x equals to 460. Yes, we are starting our sprite not from the center, we are starting our sprite from the 460 point. Okay, x equals to 460 point. So now here I am taking one sprite, another sprite, that is bear, so that we can make it walking on the stage. Yes, on the scrolling background. Now go to events, take this green flag, then go to looks and use this next costume. Then after this, yes, biggest chocolate in the world, that is forever, because we need to move this sprite automatically. So go to control block from here, forever, yes, forever. And wait, we need to take wait 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, so that it can move not too much fast. Yes, it is not walking too faster. See, it is just walking slowly, and our background, our sprite, this is also moving. Yes, also scrolling towards the left hand side. See here, it is not a background.